Hello there. This video could save you a small fortune if you have a Mk3 Skoda Octavia with a petrol engine. Why? Because I'll explain how to clean the petrol particulate filter yourself so you don't have to pay an expensive mechanic. Like this guy. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right. The petrol particulate filter minimises pollution by catching soot rather than letting that soot emerge from the back of the exhaust pipe. However, as with every filter, eventually it can get clogged up. Once the filter's saturated, the car feels down on power, it burns more fuel, the automatic start-stop system doesn't work, and there's a warning light in the instrument cluster that's similar to this. Fortunately, it's easy to clean this petrol particulate filter, and for my car, which is a 2020, the process is explained in the owner's manual. Step 1 is to drive the car for long enough for the engine to reach its normal operating temperature. Next, accelerate to at least 50 miles per hour, that's equivalent to 80 kilometers per hour, and keep the engine revolutions between 3 and 5,000 RPM. Now, release the accelerator pedal and let the car roll in gear for a few seconds. The next stage is to repeat that process several more times. So, get the speed back to at least 50 miles per hour. Get the engine revolutions back to between 3 and 5,000 and then lift off the gas again. Just do that a few times. Once the filter's clean, the warning light vanishes from the instrument cluster, but if it doesn't vanish within half an hour, the process has failed and the filter is still dirty. In this scenario, the filter needs a more thorough clean, for which you may need a mechanic, but don't pick this guy. He's rubbish. Now, just to be absolutely clear, the process we've discussed is for Skoda Octavias with a petrol engine, but if you're dealing with a diesel, there are slightly different steps, and we'll discuss those in a separate video. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV, that makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and as always, you're welcome to visit carspytv.com if you'd like to spend your life savings on some merchandise. Bye.